Hi guys, good morning. I decided this would be my first official vlog. Starting with this video, and this will be my personal vlog. And also, for this video, I was just going to share to you about my life after I graduated my college level. Ah, basta yung after my life, after ako graduate ng college, yun. Yan nga. So, this day, what day ngayon? It's July 27, 2024. So, the board exam will be September 29, if I'm not mistaken po. Then, I'm having my review, but unfortunately, hindi pa ako nakapag-review. But, yeah, I know my capabilities and I'll just trust myself and, I'll just do review soon. Yes, and before anything else po, punta muna tayo sa kitchen kasi gusto ko ilamos. Guys, here's our kitchen pala. If you don't mind. So small lang po. So small. So actually yung kitchen namin po, ito po yung first room namin nung bata pa kami. Dito kami natutulog nila mama, papa, kapatid ko. And also, itong kitchen na to before, ito, tindahan to nung una, tindahan namin. Tapos, dito yung, kumbaga katre. Tapos, dito kami kumakain din. Yun po. Then, sige, magilamos muna ako. So, punta po tayo sa main. So, yung after nung graduate po ako, is I'm seeking for a job before, and fortunately naka-work sa BPO company, and that would be my second time sa BPO company. Sa BPO company. Tapos at first, my life was blessed up until now naman. Super blessed kasi po meron akong work that time, but it did not last long, hindi nagtagal, but it took me 10 months there, and it's a great opportunity. It's a nice environment, the surroundings, the people, so very friendly, and I did a lot of friends with my workmates po doon. And sobrang init po dito sa Philippines. Here in the Philippines kasi, kapag 12 noon, pag there's no low pressure area or mga rainy season, so it's kind of a little bit hot. But since we are near po sa dagat, kasi yung bahay namin near sa dagat, so every time na ganito mainit, so pupunta lang ako dun sa dagat at dun magpahangin. Yes. And what's next? When it comes to sweldo, sakto lang yung sweldo. Sakto lang na makapagbigay ng kaunti sa mama, for myself, for my kapatid. Yeah, and guys, I am the eldest and I'm turning 24 this November. So I do hope na God will always by my side. And by the way, today, July 27, we have a volleyball championship, volleyball championship, women's volleyball and men's volleyball. So, yung women's namin, yung kapurok po namin yung championship, same din sa men's volleyball kami. Hindi naman masyadong, hindi naman gaanong halakasan, pero wait, I can do defense. Go, purok dos. And guys, grabe. It's, ano po ito? Pawis. Pawis, yes po. Tapos, syempre, hindi naman mo yung pinagpaguran mo sa work. So, I'll show you guys. Damn! Yeah. That's, MSX 125M. Sabi ng, nung binilhan ko nito, it's big bike daw, kaso small version. Yun. Ito din phone ko. Dahil sa work din, inipunan ko. Ito, Samsung Galaxy A15. Mayroong kamahalan, but sulit naman. So, actually, ito na yung ginagamit ko. At yung other phone ko, yung Infinix Hot 11s, binigay ko sa kapatid ko. Sa kapatid kong lalaki kasi that time, nasira yung phone niya. And there are times na nami-miss namin siya and wala kaming contact kasi nga wala siyang phone. So, that's why I gave my other phone to him. Kaya yun. Puro ML. Pero hindi naman kasi minsan kinukuha namin yung phone. Wala naman problema sa kanya. Rocking chair boat. Pwede din ako dito. Dribble. Dito ako nag-dribble phone. Yun. Pero now it's cloudy. Hindi masyadong nakikita yung buhok ko, yung messy hair. Yun. Yung course ko is BS Mathematics. So yung i-review ko is for General Ed, Proof Ed, and for major, which is math. And ready naman yung mga reviewers. It's just ako. The problem is ako. Kasi for 15 days render, I thought once na makabalik na ako dito sa amin, kasi yung mga gamit ko dun sa boarding house ko before is wala na tawag nito, nalipat ko na dito sa bahay. So, yun. I thought makakapag-start na ako ng review, but there are a lot of temptations. Basketball, ligo ng dagat, kanta-kanta sa video ko dito sa bahay, ML, vlog. And actually, I don't know kung ano talaga yung vlog na para sa akin, because I did music vlogs, cooking vlogs, pang funny funny contents, but it's not giving. It's like ano talaga, it's meron talagang something na mas appropriate for me, and I do hope that this would be the appropriate one. This would be all for today's vlog, and for my next video I do hope that I can give you guys a good sharing about my day. Yeah, my first name, actually it's Brian, but they call me here Noy Noy, so that's why I put it my YouTube name Noy Noy's TV. But you can call me Noy Noy or Noy. Yeah. Thank you very much for for watching this talking Noy Noy. And I hope you all have a great day and stay safe. Goodbye.